in times when the nature and our life is affected by climate change. Almost each week in 2024, different countries around the globe faced various climate incidents as well as natural disasters. If you followed and watched the news, the climate disasters such as wildfire, drought, heavy rain, flood, extreme temperature rise, tropical storms, and tornadoes became part of typical weather for different appropriate countries in recent times. And these awful weather conditions make living harder year after year. What's interesting? More temperature increase records were observed in the last 2 years, which alerts us about harder times for incoming years. According to the World Meteorological Organization, the year 2024 was tracked to be hottest year on record as warming temporarily hit 1.5 degrees Celsius. The most 5 unforgettable historical incidents of 2024 were the following: Brazil rains and flooding. From April 24 to May 2, above average rainfall was recorded in 147 municipalities in the state of Rio, affecting a population of almost 68,000 inhabitants during this period. Subsequently, the rainfall also affected the states of Paraná and Santa Catarina. As of June 10, official data from the state of Rio Grande do Sul reported 173 deaths, 38 missing persons, 423,000 displaced individuals, and 806 injured people. United Arab Emirates rains and flooding. This was also terrible, which paralyzed one of the wealthiest cities of the world, Dubai. In Dubai, some areas recorded more than 250 millimeters of rain in less than 24 hours, when normal rain must be only 97 millimeters. The flooding caused severe disruption at Dubai International Airport, causing more than 1,000 flight cancellations. Flooding also affected Oman, where 19 people lost their lives. Wildfire in Canada. It's another big example of horrible climate incidents where more than 5.3 million hectares burned as of September 11. By early May, large wildfires had broken out in Alberta, British Columbia, and Manitoba. More than 50,000 people were evacuated and 2 deaths were recorded. USA, Florida hurricanes. Within 2 weeks in late September and early October in 2024, hurricanes like Helene and Milton hit Florida, causing significant environmental and infrastructural damage in their way. Hurricane Milton alone knocked out power of more than 3 million customers. Helene itself caused more than 220 deaths, with nearly 100 in North Carolina alone. The damage from both hurricanes costed tens of billions of dollars to fix. Spain flood. When it comes to consequences of Spain flood, more than 225 people have died and many were missing. Along with major damage to homes, cars and businesses, many farms were also flooded. Economic impact of devastating floods in Spain was about 10 billion euros. The most affected region was Valencia. Weather anomalies and abnormal cases became at the center of interest as their frequency increased in recent years. Extreme heat in Canada, flood and snow in Saudi Arabia are the main surprising examples. Despite these crucial processes, many of us still continue living traditional life and enjoying their time Without noticing these hard events which one day will stop their dream to come true and destroy their children's future if they have any, of course. Now tell us why it's important to follow and watch the latest climate change news. We'll provide 3 main reasons. If you have additional ones, write in the comment. First, as a member of planet Earth, every one of us must realize that the incidents happening every day in different places around the globe as a result of climate change is not a joke. It's a warning sign of long-term natural hazard, such as extreme weather patterns, water level change. And one day you may face incidents like this too, if you haven't already affected yet, of course. So following and reviewing it will touch you and give you inspiration to take some action, at least taking care of environment around you. Secondly, almost we all love traveling, and are you sure that in the period the city where you're going to travel is safe from the point of climate change impact? Maybe there is flooding now, or extreme hot or cold or any other incident that will turn your rest or business trip into survival. And thirdly, some of our relatives, friends or previous neighbors live abroad. How will you be worried and contact them if you're not aware of any storm, earthquake, flood or any other natural disasters hit the places they live in? Or you don't care what's going on in the far away from you? Think about it. We understand that most of us don't have time to follow up each climate incident news every day, though it may happen even every single hour in different parts of the world. But we can allot time to watch the weekly summary of the most perilous and exciting ones to be aware of what's going on the planet and to get the picture of its trend. So our channel is here for that. We will review various climate change and natural disasters every day from different legitimate sources such as news and documentaries as well as video facts. Then we collect them to show you the top ones within about 10 minutes for every weekly video by investigating which of them were too serious and must be shared all over the world. So we will present you the top 10 of climate change incidents or natural disasters for every last week by ranking them, taking into consideration some crucial factors like damage, injuries, losses, number of deaths, and so forth. So get ready to follow us watching each of the next video in order not to skip this exciting news. You are about to see the shocking moments of climate incidents in different parts of the world. You'll see which countries in which week will mostly be affected by extreme weather and other natural disasters. And we are open for discussions in comments to know everyone's thought about these frustrating natural disasters. And if you face one of these hard moments, just record the most touching moments and send your video or share with Google Drive to the email in the description provided below. Who knows, maybe your fact will be in the top list of the events for any particular week. Just subscribe and like this video, so every next edition will come to you as a notification. See you soon.